Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials, and in today's short video, I'm going to show you how to delay delivering a message that you send from Microsoft Outlook. In this situation, I'm going to pick up my son from the airport tomorrow night about 8 o'clock, but it's 6 o'clock in the morning now the day before, and I want to send him a nice long email, but I don't want to bother him while he's out of town, so I want to delay sending this email. Therefore, what I want to do is start with this email that I have open in Microsoft Outlook. It's the latest version of Office 365 Outlook 2019, and this should also work in earlier versions of Outlook. What I want to do is go to the Options tab in the top menu bar. I click on that, and then way over here on the right, I click on the three-dot button and come down to More Options, and it says Delay Delivery. All I have to do is click on that. Do not deliver before. This is today. It should default to today, so I'm going to click on tomorrow. I had put it in earlier, that's why it defaulted to that. And I want to deliver it at 8:30 p.m. And that's all I need to do is click on Close, and then I send email, and it is gone. It will be delivered tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and we'll see you in the next video.